Hi guys, welcome to another video. So I've had a parcel arrive from Tobe Glam and this is their neon gel polishes. So there's 6 in this collection. On the back you've got how to apply. Vivacious Bright Neon 6 colour gel polish set. They're 6ml, they come in glass bottles. Now I was going through my collection of gel polishes the other day and I realised I haven't got a full set of neon gels. I've got like the odd ones from different brands, but I didn't have a full set. So I thought we'll give these Tobe Glam ones a try. Now the only Tobe Glam gel polish that I've tried is their white, and it is a really nice bright opaque white. So I've got high hopes for these. These are really pretty neon shades. A couple of them are a little bit different to the everyday neon shades. From the pictures that I've seen, I really like them. So I'm going to start off by giving them a swatch first. And then I've got a few ideas in mind what I want to do with these. I don't know which I'm going to go with yet. I'm probably going to go with the quickest one today, because obviously I'm going to be swatching them as well. So we're going to get straight into swatching them. The first one is called Knockout. Ooh, this looks bright. Look how bright that is. I like it. Again, like their white gel polish, it's a really nice creamy consistency, not thick but nice and creamy. Look how bright that is. I like it. That is a good start. One coat as well, guys, one coater. Then we've got Brilliant. Ooh, that's a nice purple. I like that. I would call that a kind of grape purple. Pretty. I like it. Then we have got Glow Pop. Oh wow, that is bright. That is so bright. Wow. Look at that, guys, as well. One coat. That is amazing coverage, especially for a neon. Some neons that I've tried even need 3 coats. Well impressed with that. Then we've got Currants. Again, that is bright. Ooh, look at that. That is a proper neon green, isn't it? And even though they've got a kind of creamy consistency, they're still nice and thin. They're not thick. They're not going to bulk the nail out. Next one is Express. That is so much brighter than my camera's doing it justice. I wonder if you can see it in the bottle better. Not really, it looks a little bit brighter, but it's even brighter than that still. And then lastly, we have got Starry Eyed. Oh, why? The last one had to have fluff in it. Look, why? Why? The last one. Hey, fixed it. That is a really pretty blue, isn't it? I actually prefer that to like the darker neon blue, what's in most collections. I like it. Right, so I'm going to give that one a cure, and I'm going to give them all a top coat. Right guys, we're going to do a design now. You'll see I've already done these two extensions off camera, just to save time, because this video is more about the gel polish. I did just want to show you me doing one or two of the nails. I've gone with a cute little almond shape. First time I've ever done almond nails before, and I actually really like them. They've actually turned out a really nice shape. I'm really happy with them. So obviously I'm working on my practice hand today, so I'm not going to go through my prep routine, because obviously there's no cuticles and so on. But I have buffed the shiny surface off the tip. So this would be a natural tip if this was on a real person. Got rid of that shiny surface. Now I'm going to apply a coat of the Tobe Glam base coat. If I was doing this on a real person, before I apply this base coat, I would apply a dehydrator and a primer. And then I would go in with the base coat. So the steps that we've skipped is cuticle prep, dehydrator and primer. So that's the base coat all applied. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm going to be using stiletto jewel forms today to create that almond shape. So while that base coat's curing, I'm just going to show you me applying this polygel into the jewel form. So we're using the Tobe Glam Love It polygel as a base colour. One of my favourite base colours this is. It's a beautiful nude colour. So I'm just pulling that down the jewel form, stretching it down, making sure it's right up those side walls. Nice and thin at the cuticle. I'm not taking it all the way to the end of that jewel form. And I'm just going to round the tip off into that almond shape. Like that. This Tobe Glam polygel is so nice to use as well, guys. You barely have to clean your brush off. It's a really nice, I say stiff consistency, but it's not super stiff. But it's a nice stiffness. So when you come to stick this to the nail, it doesn't all gunge out the sides like some of them do. So that's all applied to the jewel form. As you can see, it's right up those side walls. Place that on that tip. Make sure it's nice and straight. And then pop that in the lamp to cure. Then same again on the pinky. Pop that in the lamp to cure. Right guys, they are now all fully cured. So to get these jewel forms off, you just want to wiggle them from side to side like this, and they will pop off like that. Same with this one, side to side, just like that. Done. So they are all now ready for a file and a buff. There's not going to be much filing to do at all, mainly just whiz up these sides, make sure that the tip is all nice and almond shaped. Whiz around the cuticle area, just get rid of that little bit of bulkiness around the cuticle, and then give them a buff, and then they're ready for some design work. So I'm going to do that off camera. All I'm doing is here, guys, is getting rid of any tackiness from that polygel. So make sure you go underneath and around that cuticle. So if you don't get rid of any tackiness, it's just going to gunk your file up. So I shall pop back in when we're ready to do the design. Right guys, so they're all now filed and buffed and they're ready. So the first one I'm going to apply is Knockout, which is the pink. And I'm just going to apply a little blob of that on the nail like that. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of Express next to it. Like that. You could put the colours on your palette, but I just find it so much quicker and easier working on the nail. I just want to take some of that off because it's a little bit thick. And then I'm just going to blend the colours together. So I'm just going to take my brush and wiggle them together.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right. We're losing
Cleaning my brush off in between. The colours look fully opaque. I really do not think it needs 2 coats. So I'm just going to pop that one in the lamp to cure. I'm really happy with that blend. Wow. Really happy with that. So on to the next one. And I'm going to be using Glow Pop to start with. Then I'm going to be using Currants. I'm going to start off by getting it all nice and neat around the cuticle first. Clean my brush. Do the same with the green. And again, just blend the two together. Now these two are a lot easier to blend together because obviously they're very similar colours. I'm not too worried about this line being too straight either, guys, because I'm going to be going in with some striping tape, so you're not going to see the edge anyway. So I'm going to give that one a cure. Right, now guys, we're going to be outlining these. Oh no, no. 1 second. Jumping the gun a bit there. I want to try something. Now, I don't know what it's going to look like, so bear with me, guys. Right, so I've got these oil slick kind of foils. I was thinking of maybe putting it over just to give it a little something else. What do you guys think? I think it would look pretty cool. So I'm going to be using this amazing foil glue from Tobe Glam. Then I'm just going to apply a nice thin, even layer. Like that. Pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Pop that on the nail like that. Push it down, stretch it down the sides. Like that. Give it a good old rubby dub dub. And I just pull it off. Ta-da! Just gives it a little bit of something else, doesn't it? So I'm going to do the other two off camera, and I'm also going to apply the striping tape off camera because that was really fiddly, guys, and the video is getting way too long as it is already. So I'm going to get all that done off camera, then I shall pop back in. Right guys, these are all ready for some top coat now and some crystals. So I'm going to be using the Tobe Glam top coat. So because I'm doing this on my practice hand, guys, I'm just going to stick the crystals into the uncured top coat. If I was doing this on my nails, then I would use a gem glue. Nice, them all done. Do you like them? Those colours ombre together effortlessly, guys. Those blends was really, really easy to do. I really like the crystal design as well. Yeah, I like them. I think they're really cute. I wish I'd have redone this nail because I'm not keen on the shape of it. All the others I actually really like the shape of. Considering I've never done an almond shaped nail before, I don't think they're too bad, do you? I think they're alright, but this one I'm a little bit, I don't know, it's not quite an almond. I don't actually know what it is. Looks more like a lipstick or something, I don't know, but yeah, should have redone that nail, but hey ho. So we're going to have a quick look at the swatches very quickly. So we've got Knockout, Express, Glow Pop, Currents, Starry Eyed and Brilliant. They're really nice neon colours, aren't they? I like them. I really like them. So I want to say a massive thank you to Tobe Glam for sending these for us to check out. Thank you so much. Everything that I've used today, guys, I shall leave listed in my description box below. I have got a 15% off discount code as well for Tobe Glam, which is GG15. I'll pin that in my comments, along with the link to the Tobe Glam website. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.